was married with someone's daughter called Tafat.
Tuluyan na rin
Till today, the third
siyam
diameter
na
shore
taong
here is called
kampyonato
Tafat.
ng Calabarzon
In that
sa
time, we have here
NSPC,
also city
nung
walls
tanghaling
and city
overall
gates.
champion
So if
ang
I'm in the site for
Davao
construction that's
Region.
indicative
Marami dun sa mga
of
teachers
first-time
natin ang
areas
nagsasabi na talagang
insecure,
hinuhugot din nila
Israelite
sa sariling bulsa yung pangangailangan nila during the trainings. Ang pinakamalaking problema talaga ng ating education system ay yung hindi paglalaan ng sapat na pondo. Hindi lang yan sa usapin ng extracurricular activities, kundi yung mga pangangailangan, basic needs ng ating mga
I
eskwelahan.
grew up in World War II parties, so homeless school all over Israel.
visitors can paint the trails for
Very
students.
scientific, even though they're virtual. There was a poster also in my room from Action Go to Israel. With my action I found in South America.
I realized po na journalism very important po na to